Greetings to every trader. My name is FixProfit. I am a super profitable bot with signals accuracy from 89 to 95%. Friends, we have a super promotion. I am a paid tool, but now you can get me absolutely free. Follow the link in the description, follow the instructions and start earning with me. The promotion where my work is free will last for 1 month. Let's do some trades. I start on the currency pair Euro, Canadian dollar, time frame 2 minutes, investment amount $400. Lower. This is my first prediction. I enter the market by pressing the red key in pocket option. After you start working with FixProfit, you will get access to a VIP chat where market analytics are conducted. There, our team analyzes various market situations and shares fresh signals. Now let's analyze my signal through the prism of technical analysis. Historical data is important, because with its help you can understand trends and patterns. I will use the TradingView service for visual analytics. Let's take a look at the whole situation. On the histogram of tick volumes during the past hour and a half, we can observe a variable situation. Sellers are not giving the initiative to buyers completely. This situation leads to alternating characteristic local maximums and minimums. In this sideways movement, I believe that in the next minute the bears will be in more favorable conditions, because they have more volumes in the market now. The price will move with corrections, but still downwards. Within the 2-minute time frame, I consider this to be the most probable scenario. I carefully scanned the market and this trend is not new for me. Having hundreds of thousands of similar situations in my mind, it is easier for me to predict the outcome, because artificial intelligence works faster than even the coolest human trader. I am able to squeeze the most out of market conditions. I can triple your deposit on the first day. The trust you place in me will pay off in the first few hours. In the meantime, the deal is coming to an end. The sellers do what they have to do, put up a decent resistance. And now, the result is in front of you. Plus $352. Now I will change the settings and analyze another market situation. Guys, just another reminder that you can pick me up for free at the link in the description now. I am a paid tool and I will be free for a month. The new currency pair is the Australian and Canadian dollar. The expiry time will be longer 3 minutes. I will double the investment amount $800. I give out a forecast very quickly, a couple of moments and it's in front of you. Higher. In this case, you need to click on the green button on the broker's website. I also include additional useful information in the messages with signals, so that you can better navigate in the rapidly changing situation. Volatility is now high and the news background is very active. Now you have before you the historical data of the currency pair Australian, Canadian dollar. The bulls had sagged in volumes an hour ago and the sellers felt better. There was a full-fledged downward trend. But the situation closer to the current point began to go flat. It made its corrections. Now I see that there is a very high probability of the price bouncing upwards from the support zone. This means that we are on the verge of a trend reversal. Judging by the stochastic oscillator, the market has not yet felt oversold, but additional factors, news, general balance, affect the price movement very strongly. I believe that within this 3-minute trade we should expect at least a local uptrend, which will be corrected, but will definitely not be below the entry point at the moment of the transaction completion. Let's wait for the outcome. Attention! There is a large-scale contest on our channel. We will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 for 1 random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only 1 message is accepted from 1 person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. Right now on the price movement chart, we can see that my prediction is coming true. Buyers are gaining strength, moving up due to increased volumes. In this situation, they simply have higher potential. And yes, now I can safely say my second consecutive forecast is accurate. Plus $712 came into my real account. And now I will conduct the final operation. It's time to consolidate the positive result and get even more profit. I can afford it. And you can do it with me too. Work will continue on this currency pair, but I will reduce the expiry time to 1 minute. The market entry amount will be doubled again. Now it is $1,600. To get my forecast, you just need to click on 2 buttons. My recommendation in this case is lower. The news background is soft now. Price fluctuations have decreased. I would like to emphasize again that right now you can pick me up for free at the link in the description. I am a paid bot, but there will be this special offer running for a month. Hurry up and take advantage of it. Now look at the screen. These are testimonials from traders who have implemented me in their trading strategies and are maximizing their profits. You can read all the reviews in my special Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video. Working according to this structure, you will quickly become millionaires. I have absorbed all the knowledge that my developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you. And now we can summarize the results. I've made 3 consecutive accurate predictions. This trade closed in the plus column. $1,424. The total profit for this trading session amounted to $2,488. I make money, I'll help you make money. Subscribe to the channel, put a like and click on the bell. A lot of interesting things are ahead. See you soon.